My language, my language, my language, my. You think that was gonna miss me?
Oh no!
What is up, guys? Jamaica Gamer here with another reaction paper. Today, as you can see from the thumbnail, we are doing Killer MC. So I didn't do Killer MC yesterday, so I thought let me do it today because the comment section say you do Killer MC, so I'm giving the comment section what they want. So apparently, Killer MC is more upbeat, up tempo. I've never heard it. I choose not to because I don't want to give you a fake reaction. You're getting the real deal. Real deal over here. Real deal. So, let me get in gear. So, I have my water. Ready? Take a sip. Take a sip. Water is ready. Alright? The next thing I've got to do is take off my glasses because it's about to get hot in here. And, it's about to get hot, but man's not hot. You know what I mean? Put on my headphone. Yeah, my headphone battery is dead, so I have to charge it up. So it have two cables, so don't worry about that anyway. The golden rule is, we have one golden rule here. Like before you watch. That's the golden rule. Like before you watch, because you know it's going to be energy. And also, guys, I will be having some guest reactors with me at some point to help me dissect some of these lyrics, because too much lyrics. So my brother I go do it, and me G I go do it, and couple other G I go do it, you know? So without further ado, I could just jump straight tonight. And you're a chip off to say, this a Killer MC. Let's go! Mixtape coming soon again. He's promoting his mixtape, which is good. Don't forget, you heard?
Blackout, snap out, watch
No, wait, me not ready. Yo, what rhythm is this? Yo, wait. Let me plug my thing in back. Wait, what rhythm was that, bro? What rhythm was that? Yo, what rhythm was that? Yo, wait, man. Wait, man. I just black out, snap out. Yo, the rhythm, bro, the rhythm. I'm scared. That's what I want to do. Fire. Water. Oh, water ready, bro. Water ready, like 2 seconds in. Water ready. I just black out, snap out. Me don't want you no more. But I'm doing it. What? It'd be rude not to. Let's go. Yo.
black out, snap out, watch man tap out. It's back on, chip can't back down, not back out. Skeng man shoot.
No. I definitely need someone to help me dissect these lyrics. It's going too fast. I just black out, snap out. Me give up. Ready?
I just black out, snap out, watch man tap out. It's back on, chip can't back down, not back.
Back out, snap out, watch man tap out. That's what he said. People, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to keep doing this throughout the song because he's going too quick. Yes.
Black out, snap out, watch man tap out. It's back on, chip can't back down, not back out. Skeng man shoot me, then get your whap out.
Skeng man shoot me. Skeng man that's Stormzy. Big up Stormzy. Skeng man that's Stormzy. Girl in dark chocolate. That's what him call himself. I just black out, snap out, watch man tap out. Skeng man shoot me. Something.
I would like you really to go home and practice.
Yo.
Snap out, watch man tap out. It's back on, chip can't back down, not back out. Skeng man shoot me, then get your whap out. It's all cat till I snap, throw your cap out. Attack him, whack him, have it from him.
I don't want to even move to the beat because I want to concentrate, but I have to move. People, this is. What? Why did I even react to this? Why did I let you guys tell me to react to this and I do it? Why? I can't do it. I literally can't. Me can't do it. Seriously, dog. Seriously. Me cannot do it. What am I saying? Yo, me give up, dog.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Ready?
Shoot me, then get your whap out. It's all cat till I snap, blow your cap out, attack him, whack him. Have it from him, imagine. With all these bangers I'm packing. Don't put me in a mismatch, this man till I this back. I got this track, this track.
Yo, what's 6 body bag there, so? 6, 1, 2, who can see it? 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 body bags. 6 body bags. Them quite tall, so Stormzy must in one of them. The body bags are tall, so. The body bags are tall, so Stormzy must in one of them.
Start of this batch, pick a forehead, wig that for the big chat.
No, I go back. Sorry. I'm sorry. Like I said, people, I have to keep going back. I'm sorry. Jamaican verse game. Yo, I have to do it. I can't understand everything. I cannot understand everything. Why am I never do this already? Like, why?
Him, imagine. With all these bangers I'm packing. Don't put me in a mismatch. This man till I this back. I got this track, start of this batch.
What's he wearing? Is it a black tracksuit or a leather suit? What is he wearing, people? What am I wearing?
Pick a forehead, wig that for the big chat. Min a chit chat, click clack on my spliff yak. All the smoke I'm with that. When I sky that, full air force, you dig that. Yo, how many spitters have I killed and I might wanna enter them all? Come get a wristband and get.
Yo, okay. Somebody correct me in the comment section. Hold on there. Something wrong with my headphone, man. Something not plug in right. Something all right, yeah. Something all right, yeah, man. I'm moving too much. Hold on there, man. Hold on there. In the business. Hold on there. So there's 6 body bags there, yeah? Him just say how many man him kill on the mic. Guys, help me out. Name the list of MCs that Chip killed since Chip do this. Name the list of MCs, please. Please do. I know, I wouldn't say kill, but I know Clash. I know same Clash Bugsy. No, him a Clash, well, him not Clash, him a, yo. Water! Water! Wait! Yo!
Techie, try your own wrist fam. If I ever put the mic down, but you miss man. Didn't really want to be a killer MC, but man crossed the line, I'm a killer MC. Why is it always Chipmunk clashing? All these we used to be niggas MCs.
I didn't want to be a killer MC, but basically what he's saying, yo, you make me into a killer MC, dog. Me never want to do it. Me put on the mic. Me leave the mic already, dog. Me do what me need to do and put on the mic long time. So right now, me a killer MC. And a Stormzy cause that. Stormzy pull up on the man yard, brother. So the man a killer MC. The man dropped 2 disrespectful track in a space of hours, dog. Hours. Stormzy, when you there, me a wait. Wait. Huh?
Sick and tired, now sick, not tired. I'll rise it, fire and kill a MC. Make a man wanna catch me in real life. Sick and kill.
I'm sorry, people. I have to keep going back. I have to go back. He started the track hype, brrr, firing. Now I'm go back to this. I don't really want to have to kill an MC, but like dog, really dog. Wagwan, yes, brother. Wagwan. What? Yo, me give up, dog.
If I ever put the mic down, but you miss man. Didn't really want to be a killer MC, but man crossed the line, I'm a killer MC. Why is it always Chipmunk clashing? All these we used to be niggas MCs. I'm sick and tired, now sick, not tired. I'll rise it, fire and kill a MC. Make a man wanna catch me in real life, quite special the way that I spin a MC. Yeah, spin a
Make a man wanna catch me in real life, especially when I spin a MC. Basically, dog. Yo. This youth build for war. Him build for clash. Him build for war. This youth build for war. He's been doing it since what, 15, 16. Chip built for this. Chip was there back in the days with Kano them and them man there, Wiley them and them man there, on the mic. You see me? Skepta and them man there. Chip don't run out of bars, what? Chip don't run out of bars, what? Chip can't run out of bars. Him can't run out of bar. Not even prison have more bars than Chip. Not even prison have more bars than Chip. Dog.
Spin an MC and his brethren, I can't rap. You thought you don't run out of bars like shut your mic, cut the crap, I'm the boss man. Never had a bar fan, bar man, black sheep, bar, ha ha. Never been in all the hoorah, rah rah. I'm Mr. Miyagi, the boss thing. Pick a karate kid on half him.
I'm Mr. Miyagi after bar thing. Pick a karate kid and half him. Yo, Mr. Miyagi, at the G. Mr. Miyagi teach all. Mr. Miyagi teach all karate kids. Mr. Miyagi teach all karate kids. Man, I say, yo, I'm me at the back. Yo.
We have guns too if it's war, it's war.
Ready?
Pull up like where the food I want munch. Pull up just extra spitters I want dump. I said what's the time? I said lunch. I was out here before all these cunts. Put some respect.
I need someone to help me dissect these lyrics. Me take up more than where me can angle. I cannot angle this. I cannot angle this. Chip, please just slow down, brother. Me I beg you, dog. Me I beg you, dog. Me I beg you, slow down, please, brother. Please, no, dog. Slow down, brother.
Respect on my name. You're letting him say he's the best MC in the country. Like I'm not still in this game. Make y'all tune, but me love pepper and spray.
The man say, Stormzy. Like the people I make Stormzy. Remember now, the people them never give you the king, you know. You say you are the king. You are self-proclaimed king. The people them never give you the king. You say you are the best in the country. See? You say that. And or if you say that when Chipmunk not dead. Chipmunk still in the game. Chipmunk is still here and live and kicking. That's how Chipmunk can say, not me. Do not blame me. Stormzy, when you bring out your track, I'm going to be this much energetic towards your track. See me, my brother. I have to be. I have to be. Because that is the type of person I am. Energetic. Hey, let's go. Ready? Ready, my friend. My brother. This is kicking teeth. Hold on. No, I don't need water. I need orange juice. Hey. Let's go, my friend. Let's go.
Didn't really want to be a killer MC, but man crossed the line, I'm a killer MC.
Yeah.
Why is it always Chipmunk clashing all these? We used to be niggas MCs.
Yeah.
I'm sick and tired now, sick not.
The mic is on fire. The mic is on fire. So you know, see a be fire. The man a spitting a dog. Fire upon the mic, you know, better. Roast it. Roast.
Tired, I'll rise it, fire and kill a MC. Make a man wanna catch me in real life, cause it's special the way that I spin a MC. Why is it never MCs that have come before me that want to warn me? I must be surely the coldest MC to touch the country like that in my lyric book. Boy, it's a puppy.
More about the second verse. Me need back the second verse. Sorry, people. People, if you've listened to this already, I'm sorry, but I am going to listen to it this way because I've never listened to it before. I've never listened to this track before. My friend did send it, come give me one time it first dropped, and I chose not to listen to it. Remember I told you, what was the golden rule? Like before you watch, because you know this is excitement. Like before you watch, golden rule. Jesus Christ. I don't really want to spin an MC, but you know, MC. Kicking in your face and bun an MC, make a joke in your juice and joke in your eye. What? Trouble. Wait, load.
That just took a weird turn.
Let's go.
Real life cry special the way that I spin a
Second
MC.
verse now.
Why is it never MCs that have come before me that want to warn me? I must be surely the coldest MC to touch.
Oh, so basically I say, why is it? Let me hear that. I'm not mistake.
Fire and kill a MC. Make a man wanna catch me in real life, cry special the way that I spin a MC. Why is it never MCs that have come before me that want to warn me?
Why is it I never MC who come before him one war him? Why is it the MC who after him one war him? Like, because I feel threatened by him. I feel threatened by Chip. That is what Chip is saying. Not me. Do not blame the reactor. Do not blame the reactor. I repeat. Do not blame me. Alright? This is what he's saying. Alright.
I must be surely the coldest MC to
In
touch
the country.
like that in my lyric book. Boy, it's a puppy. I'm super dumpy. Only God could judge me. So Jesus, forgive me if I keep up a fuckery. Oh, no.
Jesus, forgive me if me keep up shaking. Jesus, please, Lord, just forgive me. Like, just give me that free pass for bust Stormzy head. That is what he's saying. Not me. Once again, it is alleged. Give me that free pass, Lord, for bust Stormzy head. Like a coconut. Bust him head. Know yourself. Make him blood leak from the side. Yo.
Lyric book. Boy, it's a puppy. I'm super dumpy. Only God could judge me. So Jesus, forgive me if I keep up a fuckery. Oh no, I gotta make the teacher keep up a madness. Why? Blood clot. Too many students.
Yo, my language. Yo. My language. You think that was gonna miss me? Hold on there. My language, Chip. Really hard, man. Remember, see, I do song with 𝑪𝑯𝑰𝑷. You sell young the club, 9 months, tell him it's a bad man thing. More money, more girl, more money. What we say? My thing's nothing like them, man. You got one bottle sharing it with them. What? Yo.
Why is it never MCs that have come before me that want to warn me? I must be surely the coldest MC to touch the country. Like that in my lyric book, boy, it's a pumpy. I'm super dumpy, only God could judge me. So Jesus, forgive me if I keep up a fuckery. You know I gotta make the teacher keep up a madness. Why? Blood clot, too many students acting. Super flex, beat man with a...
Yo, I'm not leaving this, I'm not leaving this bit. Yo, if you don't like the video yet, nobody like it. If you don't like it yet, do not bother like it. Please and thanks. I told you the rule is to like the... Fire!
It's a pumpy, I'm super dumpy, only God could judge me. So Jesus, forgive me if I keep up a fuckery.
Yo, Englishman dance. Watch your style, watch your style.
Boy, it's a pumpy, I'm super dumpy, only God could judge me. So Jesus, forgive me if I
keep up a shaggy.
You know I gotta make the teacher keep up a madness. Why? Blood clot, too many students acting. Super flex, beat man with a ruler. King which part? This part I'm ruler. Me at the big dog, this art I'll school ya. Cash motto inside, niggas can't fool us. Them boy that's up that side, don't chat me. North best spitters in the game, don't at me. Money can't buy technique, just chill. If I don't say it, who will? Yo,
money can't buy technique, brother.
really want to be a killer MC.
Well, man, me talk. Don't be rude. Do not be rude, Chip. I'm talking. I'm not Stormzy. Don't argue with me. Do not be rude. I'm talking. Where you playing?
Take two.
The man say, listen to me. I forgot what him say.
Oh my God. Why would you say that out loud? Oh, way to go. Congratulations.
I forgot what him said. Oh, weird.
Niggas can't fool us. Them boy that's up that side, don't chat me. North best spitters in the game, don't at me. Money can't buy technique, just chill. If I don't say it, who will? Yo.
Man say, yo, listen, money can't buy technique, brother. Money cannot buy technique. Money cannot buy talent. Money cannot buy talent. If you have 1,000, 100,000 US or 100,000 pound, you cannot buy your technique where you need to master your craft. You have to just work hard at it until you get it or you're born with it. Lighter! Load! Yo, ready, man?
Didn't really want to be a killer MC, but man crossed the line, I'm a killer MC.
Body bag and smoke. London, skylights, pretty, bullet.
Make a man wanna catch me in real life, quite special the way that I spin an MC.
Trouble. I would that, man. I would. Trouble.
Me out, you know.
We're out. Come out. Get out. Leave. Yo, me love this. Me love that track, yeah. People, me love that track, yeah. Me love me. Love that track, yeah. People, no joke. Me love that track, yeah, people. No joke. Me love that track, yeah, people. People. All right. People, here's my channel. Subscribe to it, man. Here's my channel. Subscribe to it. Look at that. Like, thank you. Thanks to the new subscribers them who is here, who just joined today or whenever. Thank you guys. JAMAICA'S gamer subscriber. I have a gaming channel as well. The links is in the links are in the below. I do online streaming with games, GTA, FIFA, whatever. Be a madness. But people, about that track, I'm giving that track 13 out of 10. 13 out of 10. 13.
That is more stupid than an invincible traffic light.
No, you can't go 13 out of 10. That doesn't make sense. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. People, the golden rule was to like the video before you watch it. If you didn't like it, nobody like it now. Just call it quits. Call it quits. Like the next one. Yeah? If you didn't like it, just like the next one. That's forwarding up. So the thing go. People, I'm hot. Water. I'm leaving. Yo, look more. What time is it? Time for Stormzy reply. Bye. Oh!